MBR and GPT are two different schemes for storing the partition information on a hard drive. This information tells your operating system how the disk is divided into partitions, where they begin and end, and which one is bootable. MBR is the older, traditional standard. It's named after the master boot record, a special boot sector located at the very beginning of the drive. Disk size limit. It can only handle drives up to 2 terabytes in size. Partition limit. It supports a maximum of 4 primary partitions. If you need more, you have to create an extended partition, which then contains multiple logical partitions. Compatibility. MBR is compatible with older systems that use a traditional BIOS firmware. Many older operating systems also only support MBR. Data integrity. The partition table is stored in a single location. If this data gets corrupted, it's very difficult to recover the partitions. GPT is the modern standard, developed as part of the UEFI initiative, which is the replacement for BIOS. Disk size limit. It can handle disks of virtually unlimited size, far beyond the 2 terabytes limit of MBR. The theoretical limit is 9.4 ZB. Partition limit. It allows for a much larger number of primary partitions, with the limit typically set by the operating system. Windows allows up to 128 partitions. Compatibility. GPT is required for systems that use UEFI firmware and is the standard for modern operating systems like 64-bit versions of Windows 10 and 11. Data integrity. GPT is more robust because it stores a backup copy of the partition table at the end of the disk. It also includes cyclic redundancy check values to verify the integrity of the data. If the primary partition table is corrupted, it can use the backup to restore it. Here's a quick comparison. MBR works with BIOS, handles up to 2 terabytes, supports 4 primary partitions, and has no redundancy. GPT works with UEFI, handles 9.4 ZB theoretically, supports 128 partitions in Windows, and includes redundant backup with CRC32 checksums. Use MBR for older computers, legacy operating systems like Windows XP, or when you're working with a disk that is 2 terabytes or smaller, and you need backward compatibility. Use GPT for modern systems with UEFI firmware, for drives larger than 2 terabytes, and when you want greater flexibility and reliability. For new PC builds and installations, GPT is the recommended choice. Like, share and subscribe to Softtech Explorer.